It should be pretty fun to install this. I bought it because the thing that came with the computer, which was this. No. Yeah, it was this. It worked for a while fine, but then it quit working. Plus they say that N is old-fashioned. And my router can do AC, and this one can do AC. This is a little Bluetooth connector. There's a place in the computer that's got, they call that a 9-pin. And then it's a card. What cracks me up about it, it's got this big heat sink. The one thing I was reading about the USB, you can buy like this, a better one like this, and they said it gets hot. So I thought, well, that'd be fun anyway. One thing that kind of cracks me up about this is, of course, it's always one, you know, all the drivers are on the internet, you just download them, but the only problem is, you know, if you need this Wi-Fi card to have internet access, how are you going to download the driver to make the Wi-Fi card work? Hopefully Windows will have something, I guess. Either that, or I might could plug in that little doodad. Maybe it would work long enough to download this driver. Then they've got that thing like you're supposed to do it on your phone. I don't know. Or maybe the driver is right here. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Let's do it that way. Wow, it's got nice colorful instructions. That's one thing you don't get much anymore is instructions. But they had it on the website when you go to buy it. So I guess that's it. This is the, I guess this is the old-fashioned PCI. They said don't plug it into that. I'm going to plug it into one. I got one that looks like that. That's my plan. Well, plugged in pretty easy. It's kind of upside down in a manner of speaking, but I guess it doesn't matter and there's nothing I can do about it. It's easier when they had the screws, but now you've got this door. But that's alright, I can make it work. And I gotta plug in that wire. So there's that thing. It looks a lot bigger than this, but if you count them, it's got 9 pins. So I guess that's it. Nothing else has 9 pins like that. And let's see, the stray pin is on top. So I'll turn this up so it's, the stray pin is on top like this. Yeah, plugged right in. Now I gotta plug it into that thing. That thing was kind of hard to plug in. I had to take the whole unit out to get it in. This thing plugs in pretty easy. Alright, it's all installed. That's why I like these big towers. You could do fun stuff like this. The thing just didn't boot twice. I had to shut it off with a button and restart it, and it started. But then I sort of realized these don't twist very easily on their own. It's not very loose. I thought I'd shut it off again. I'm just going to screw these on like this. I didn't want to move this computer that much, you know, to twist it out like this. So I'm just putting them on like that. Then I'll bend them up when I get them on. That's the easy way to do it. Well, that's funny, they're kind of floppy. It's all kind of a mystery how these drivers work. I just double clicked on it. Now let's see. Oh, there it is. Both of them. I don't know which is better, the 5G or not 5G. I should look it up maybe. Oh, well, I didn't know that. So the not 5G penetrates walls better. Longer range. That's what I'll go with. And 5G doesn't have anything to do with mobile networks. I didn't know that, see. Seems to work pretty fast. Works real fast. Works real fast. Now I've got to do a lot of other stuff.